My name is Haydn Davies and I'm the proprietor of Haydn Davies Low Loaders. I've been in business now since 1986, 33 years and ongoing, and this is part of my fleet of lorries and trailers here. We're based in Bridgend, South Wales, but we cover all the UK nationwide. We do loads from 1 tonne to 150 tonne, up to 45 tonne on our step frame trailers, up to 150 tonne on our low loader trailers, and we do loads up to 10 tonne on our rigid vehicle. The industry that we service is the railway industry, construction industry, factory movements. We even do work for the acting industry. We've done a bit lately. We also have escort vehicles which we use to assist with our abnormal loads, and we can make sure that your loads are moved safely with every load we do, and we're also in radio contact with each other, the drivers of the escort vehicle and the lorries. We're a family-run business offering a fast and friendly service. Give us a call at Haydn Davies Low Loaders.